Huntsville, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, northeastern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stevenson, or near Bridgeport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Stevenson, Ider, Fabius, Flat Rock, Sulphur Springs, and Higdon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Alabama,